Thank you for choosing HSA for your AV storage needs. In today's tutorial, we will demonstrate how to assemble a DR24E-II. First, lay the base on the ground as shown. Next, put the exterior side panel on as shown and tighten in place. Attach the front trim and tighten as shown. Repeat the previous two steps on the other side. Lower the top panel into place with cams as shown and tighten. Insert interior equipment side panel as shown. Tighten into place at the top and bottom cams. Repeat for the opposite interior side panel. Insert the middle rack panel, which features two metal rails, in place and tighten top and bottom cams. Remove handles from the rolling timbers and set aside. Gently slide the timber assembly in place from the back with the locks facing up. Pull gently closed in the front. Repeat this process for the other side timber. Insert and screw in place the rear lower L-shaped braces. Behind the L-shaped brace, there are spots for stop blocks. Insert and tighten as shown. Put the upper back brace in place and tighten the cams from the inside. Insert the back panel as shown and screw into place. Reattach the handles to the timbers and your DR24E-II is complete. Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs.